My name is Matt Caputo. My dad started Caputo's. I've been here since day one, 28 years ago?
1997.
That's right. My wife and I, Elena, run Caputo's nowadays, and we have the distinct privilege of doing what we absolutely love. And one of the things we love most is working with small artisans, directly with them. These are people who carry on the traditions that have come from generations before them, often hundreds, if not thousands of years. And as food geeks, meeting and getting to know these artisans is like getting to know rock stars. It's really amazing. Tonight, I am so excited to introduce you guys to Artesanos Alalunga, Spain's smallest cannery. In fact, when the Caputo family visited a few years back, we did not see a factory. What we saw was what you're going to see tonight. Is compared to a factory, it's more like a small kitchen. And we saw in this small kitchen, two brothers employing their family recipes to do much more than just preserve ingredients in a tin. We have those two brothers with us here tonight, Pablo and Alvaro Huidobro. I know Pablo is going to take us right out of the gate from Artesanos Alalunga. Thank you so much for being here. And everybody, could we take a moment to give Pablo a warm Caputo welcome? Welcome, guys. Welcome, Pablo.
Hello everyone. I'm very proud to be here, and thank you very much to host me in this virtual visit. Here is Alvaro with me, my brother. Hello everybody. Every recipe we use here comes from a traditional recipe in our region, or this zone in the north of Spain. The way we cook here is very traditional, of course with fish. Alvaro can explain you more or less how we prepare the sauce, the green sauce.
We use the fresh fruits, white onions, garlic, always from Cantabria material, and fresh persil, extra virgin olive oil, always from Navarra. It's a region in the north too, close to Cantabria, and the variety is Arbequina. The salt from the spring. It's from Basque Country, close to us too. We use more or less the restaurants pot.
So that's the pot you guys actually use. This is not just for demonstration.
Yes, for our sauce. Yes, tomato, green sauce is always this kind of pot.
You have two. Congratulations.
You're really grown.
Yeah, it's fish broth. Okay, it's fish broth made by us. We don't use flour because it's all with gluten-free always. And the way to achieve the best results is using, for example, a natural broth made for us with full of collagen, and is the trick for this sauce. And the final step is add the persil and the broth, and one maybe half an hour more to reduce the water of the broth, and it's our green sauce. It's natural and the traditional recipe: onions, garlic, olive oil, salt, broth, and persil. No flour, gluten-free, always.
Gluten-free, 6 ingredients. Talk about clean eating.
Yeah.
Yes.
You could use a knife to spread that sauce on bread. It's so nice and thick that it's just from the collagen and the natural ingredients in the fish.
We have seen the preparation of the amazing sauce that comes with the hake or merluza, as you will find on your blue package. So merluza and salsa verde. We also call it hake and green sauce, so we use that interchangeably. And again, that was the delicious herb sauce that was prepared for you or described to you.
Your treatment, the fish is flaky but soft and so tasty. Lovely.
Thank you
very much.
For the fish, step is cut the fish, two big loins, and then we cut in three parts. The tail, this one, the loin, and the belly. Okay, I will like this. We put on the loin, on the belly and the tail, salt under the skin, here too.
So you sea salt, hand dry, and then vacuum seal each piece.
The pasteurization will be here in the oven, about between 15 minutes and 21 for the loins and 15 for the belly. After this process, as soon as possible, we put in the glass chiller.
Sea salt, nothing but sea salt, the fish, vacuum packed, cooked in a very humidity. It's almost like it's sous vide, like the sous vide
Yes,
process.
yes.
It's
Yes.
essentially the same.
You're right.
Just cooking in its own juices. You guys get the perfect amount and then quickly put it in a blast chiller. After the blast chiller, it goes into the refrigerator overnight.
Yes, it's here in the refrigerator. Yes.
Always use a mix in the same can, a mix from different parts. First of all, open the bags, the skin off. If you can see the fat here, it's fat. Take the bones out. In the tail, no bones. It's safe. For example, tail and tail. And then from the loin, we have the bones are here. Okay, more or less between 5 and 7 bones. Always by hand. Okay. 2. Okay, sorry if I.
No, this
This
isn't.
one. Okay. And this one out. We put on the 100 grams, 100 grams. Okay, this is the tail for the can, and now 100. Oh yeah, perfect. 99. It's okay. This one maybe is 93, 94, maybe. Oh no, 90, 98. Okay, it's okay. Perfect. Well, I can add a little bit. Yes. 99. Perfect. The final process in this case, sea bass bilbaína style.
He adds the regular oil, the spicy oil. Now this bilbaína mix.
I did the garlic 1 hour ago. Now okay, the sound is like garlic chips. Okay, it's like a chip. We put 3 or 4, depends the size, garlic chips on top, and yes, the cayenne and 1 cayenne pepper.
The final step, the tap.
I don't know if it's just, but I get so giddy when I get those garlic pieces.
Yeah.
When I bite.
Okay, it's 1 by 1.
One by one.
And there it is.
Here is a little water to put off maybe the rest of fish or oil. Only for this. Wait,
At the end of the day, we put all the cans here.
here is it's like a pressure cook. It's the same. Pressure and temperature to achieve 121 degrees in the middle of the tin during 3 minutes. The result is the conserva.
Very good.
And that's more or less how we work in Alalunga.
I love it. The whole process you've showed us. Now I know that.
Yes, more or less. Very quickly, of course. But yes, you are tasting cuttlefish now.
Okay.
Very good.
It tastes homemade. It smells homemade. I mean, one of the first things that I noticed is the aroma when you open it. Not every time you open a cuttlefish in ink do you get that aroma.
There's many recipes like this, but this one, you put this over rice, heat the can as we suggest, serve it to a group of people. They have no idea that it's not made fresh. Absolutely fantastic.
And of course, the texture, the way that you master that very soft texture of what oftentimes is a very chewy experience that people don't like. We don't have that here. It's incredible. Just truly a masterpiece, I think.
In my opinion, for the last one, for the sea bass, after heating, shake a little bit to mix the sauce again. Okay.
Nice tip.
Maybe yes, shake.
Wow. It's not spicy, but it just brings out so much flavor. Incredible. Nice work.
Dang, so good.
Of all the artisans I've met, regardless of what category of food, you guys are some of the most absolute dedicated to doing things in a very specific way that I very much appreciate. And it's an honor to know you guys. And I know it's extremely late in the night for you guys. So thank you so much.
It's 3 a.m.
It's like 3 a.m. there. Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi.
Tyler asks, he says, your entire lineup is excellent. Wondering if you have any plans for any new items, any new recipes.
Yes, of course. Yes, we have one recipe done. It's ready. Maybe next year or 2026. It's a swordfish. It's a recipe with swordfish.
I just wanted to pop in to quickly thank folks at Caputo's for hosting and you two for taking us into your world and just kind of like demystifying a bit for us how incredible your process is and how much care goes into every can that you make. I think speaking to, what you all were sharing about artisanal foods, like this is what real slow food costs. And it enables me to like respect it more and cherish it more. And want to share it more. So thanks everybody. This was so delicious. I'm stoked for more of these if they happen.
Thanks so much. We had so much fun.
Awesome.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Us too. Thanks so much for doing it. Really, you're the two things we had. We have the third one left. Enjoyed it 100%.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for being here.
We did it. Ciao, ciao.
Cheers to the first Meet the Maker. Thanks, everyone.
All right. Thanks so much. Bye, everybody.
Goodbye.